Hello guys, today we're taking a look at the Xiaomi A24i, a clean and modern 24-inch Full HD monitor made for everyday work, study, and home setups. It hits a great size sweet spot bigger than a small 2-inch screen, but still compact enough to fit comfortably on most desks, making it a solid upgrade for productivity and entertainment. The A24i features a sharp 1080p IPS panel with a 100 Hz refresh rate, which feels noticeably smoother than standard 60 Hz displays. Even simple things like scrolling, switching tabs, or light gaming feel more responsive. Color performance is another big highlight, with 99% sRGB coverage and factory tuning for accurate, natural-looking visuals instead of dull or washed-out tones. It also includes low blue light protection, helping reduce eye strain during long sessions. Design-wise, Xiaomi keeps it slim and minimal, with thin bezels, easy joystick controls, and VESA mount support for flexible setups. Connectivity is practical too, offering HDMI and DisplayPort, and everything you need comes right in the box. Overall, the Xiaomi A24i is a simple, smooth, and color-accurate everyday monitor that balances style and performance really well.